welcome to a ViewSonic unboxing. My name is Ray, and today I have for you a very fun little product. This is an M1 Mini Plus. This is a very small, portable projector that's great for at-home entertainment. You've got kids, they want to play around with maybe their video games on their wall. This is a really fun product for that. So let's go ahead and get this unboxed. The unboxing experience is actually pretty cool on this product. We focused a lot of time on the customer experience. So opening up the product here, right here, this is the projector itself. We're going to pull it out. You can see this thing is really small. It's actually a 4x4 square that you can fit in your pocket. And despite being so small, it is a fully featured, fully functional projector. It includes a battery and it includes a JBL speaker as well. So let me set this to the side here. Now, because the projector is so small, most of your controls are actually on this included remote, which is really convenient because you can sit down on your couch and play with this little thing. You don't have to get up, and you can control everything through the included controller. Pulling out this box here. And you can see here's our power adapter. This does charge using USB Type-C, which is an upgrade from the previous version of the M1 Mini Plus. Got some documentation as well. And here's a really cool feature of it. It comes with interchangeable plates. So this blue plate on the top actually comes off. And if you want something a little bit more flair, a little bit more fun, we have a couple colors for you. Let me open those up. Out of the box, it comes with teal, if you can see that. But we also have a nice yellow. And we also have a more corporate and a little bit more professional looking gray as well. And like I said, these are the three colors, and all you need to do here is go to this open corner, pull on it, and it pops right off. So if we want to go with gray, like that, but I actually think it looks cool with the yellow. And you just push it on there, and it should pop right into place. There you go. This is the stand for the projector. So you can see right here, it's standing up on its own. This is fully adjustable, and this is also the thing that turns the projector on and off. So once you open it and expose it, that's what tells the projector it's time to turn on. This also has a full-size HDMI on it, so that's your main source for getting video and audio into this projector, but it also has a full-size USB as well. And the cool thing about this is it actually is able to read your USB. So if you have a USB stick, maybe you've got some fun videos on it, you plug that in, and with the included battery, you can go up to 6 hours on a single charge with this. So you want to watch a nice movie in a dark room or want to play some video games, this is a perfect little portable product for that purpose. So this has just been a quick overview of the M1 Mini Plus. Please watch this space for more fun ViewSonic unboxings and other videos.
What if you can control the projector more intuitively? Your mobile device could be your second remote. You can do touch control, type easier, and have extra spark and fun with simple annotation. Download the ViewSonic VCast Sender app. Connect your mobile device and projector under the same Wi-Fi. Open the VCast Sender app and select your projector. Now you can take your screen to your phone and start intuitive touch control. The toolbar is on the right side. As you can see, there are Hide the Toolbar, Home Page, Return, File Manager, which can access your photos, videos, and music on your mobile device once given permission. Screen mirroring, mouse mode, annotation mode, delete annotation, and camera. On the upper right side are Bluetooth and input source shortcuts. Source. Press it and you can see all sources. Bluetooth. Press it and you can see Bluetooth mode and pairing mode. To quit, just press the red X. Now your mobile device is your remote. A USB Type-C port delivers fast data, audio, video, and quick charging over a single cable. With the latest phones, tablets, and laptops switching to USB Type-C, you can connect to the projector's USB Type-C port without adapters or a dock. Simply plug in and you can start displaying content from your smartphone, on laptops, and it's also perfect for the Switch. This handy port can also simultaneously charge your device or play videos and music from a USB flash drive. Be aware that not all devices with a USB Type-C port support the display function. Some of them might only support charging. Both iPhone and iPad do not support USB Type-C display. Users need to use an Apple-authorized Lightning to HDMI adapter for content display via the HDMI port. The projector can be used as Bluetooth speaker via the Harman Kardon speakers. There are two ways to enable Bluetooth mode. A. Press the Bluetooth key on the remote control, or B. Press the power button, then choose Bluetooth mode. When the projector is in standby mode, the projector light will turn off and the Bluetooth indicator will flash blue. To set the projector into Bluetooth pairing mode, press and hold the Bluetooth key for 3 seconds to enter pairing mode. You will hear continual beeping when in pairing mode. Turn Bluetooth on in your mobile device's settings and then choose the projector. You will hear a jingle from the projector once the connection has succeeded. If you do not complete the connection in 1 minute, the projector will return to standby mode automatically. For devices that have paired with the projector before, just make sure Bluetooth is turned on first. Then set the projector into Bluetooth standby mode and they will get connected automatically. If you want to return to projector mode, just simply press the back button and choose Yes.